Dear students, today we shall discuss the fifth question. The fifth question is, in a class test, the sum of Shefali's marks in mathematics and English is 30. So, the sum of the marks in mathematics and English she got is 30 marks. And she got 2 more marks in mathematics. If she get 2 more marks in mathematics and 3 marks less in English, the product of their marks would have been 210. So if she get 2 more marks in mathematics and 3 marks less in English, the product of their marks will become 210. Then find our marks in 2 subjects. We have to find our marks in 2 subjects. The same question we can solve by using the concept of linear equations in 2 variables. How we can solve? Let us see it. So the sum of Shefali's marks in mathematics and English is 30, they said. I will take the marks in mathematics as x, marks in English is y. So x plus y is equal to 30. X plus y is equal to 30. One equation you get. So for linear equation in 2 variables, you should get 2 equations. One equation I got, x plus y equal to 30, where x is the marks of mathematics and y is the marks of English. So marks in mathematics, marks in English. Now here, if she had got 2 more marks in mathematics, means x plus 2, x plus 2. So mathematics 2 more marks means x plus 2. 3 marks less means y minus 3, y minus 3. The product of their marks would have been 210, means x plus 3 into y minus 3. X plus 3 into y minus 3 is equal to what? 210. Okay. So you can solve those 2 equations. You will get x and y. Those are the marks of mathematics and English. That is one way. Already you know it. So let us solve the same question by using the concept of quadratic equation. How we can solve? So what they said, the sum of their marks, mathematics and English marks is 30, they said. I will take the marks in mathematics. I will take the marks in mathematics. I will take it as x. Then what will be the marks in English? What? It will be 30 minus x, because the sum of marks in mathematics and English is 30. So mathematics are taken as x. So remaining will be 30 minus x. That is the marks in English. Now another condition they given. And she got 2 more marks in mathematics. So if she get 2 more marks in mathematics, the marks of mathematics will become x plus 2. X plus 2. According to the given condition, so 2 marks are added. 2 more marks in mathematics. 2 more marks in mathematics. So that marks will become x plus 2. So initially it was x, 2 more marks added. So 2 marks added, it will be x plus 2. Then 3 marks less in English. 3 marks less. 3 marks less in English. So that will be 30 minus x minus 3. So 3 marks less, reduced. So it will be minus 3. So this will become 27 minus x. Okay. Now what the condition they given? The product of their marks, this marks, not this one. The product of their marks would be 210. So product of these 2 marks, that is x plus 2 into 27 minus x is equals to 210. Now you got one equation. We have to solve. We have to convert this equation in standard form. X square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now here let us multiply this. 27x minus x square plus 54 minus 2x is equals to 210. Now I'll write minus x square 27 minus 2, that is 25x Plus 54. I will take this to left side. Minus 210 is equals to 0. Now minus x square plus 25x. This will become what? Minus 154 minus 210. So this is how much? 156. Am I right? 156 is equals to 0. Now I will take minus sign common here. It will become x square minus 25x plus 156 is equal to 0. Now we got a standard form x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now I have to solve this either by completing square method or factorization or formula, anyone you can follow. Now here I will follow the factorization. So if you multiply the first and last term, 156 I should get 156 x square. I have to split minus 25x. I will split it in minus 12x minus 13x. So this will become minus 12 minus 13, that is minus 25x. Let us multiply this. Minus into minus plus 12 into 13, 156 x into x square. Now in place of minus 25x, I will write these two numbers, x square minus 12x minus 13x plus 156 is equal to 0. Now in this one I will take common as x. So I will take common x minus 12. In this I will take minus 13 common. Minus 13 taken outside. So inside will be x plus will become minus 12. Now this is equals to 0. Now here x minus 12 x minus 12 take outside. X minus 12 taken outside. Inside what will be there? X minus 13. Inside x minus 13 is equals to 0. Now x minus 12 is equal to 0 or x minus 13 is equal to 0. Now this will be x equals to 12 or x equals to 13. So we got two values of x, 12 and 13. If x is 12, then we have to find the marks in English. We have to find the marks in two subjects. First I will take x equal to, if x equal to 12. Now I will marks in mathematics. Marks in maths is equals to x. X is nothing but what? 12. Now marks in English. That is 13 minus x. That is 13 minus 12 it is 18. If x equal to 13, now marks in maths is equals to 13, that is x I have taken here. Now marks in English, that is 13 minus 13, that is equals to almost 17. Okay, so here 12, 18. So marks 12 and 18. Otherwise 13, 17. These are the two possibilities of getting marks in mathematics and English. The diagonal of a rectangular field is 60 meter more than the shorter side. If the longer side is 30 meter more than the shorter side, find the sides of the field. So now here the field is in the form of a rectangle. Now this is shorter side and this is a longer side. What they given? The diagonal of a rectangular field is 60 meter more than shorter side. Now we'll take the shorter side as x. So this will be x. Both shorter sides are x. Now the diagonal of a shorter side is 60 meter more than the shorter side. It will be x plus 60 meter. So shorter side is x. So then diagonal of the rectangular field will be x plus 60 meter, because they said 60 meter more than the shorter side they said. Then another condition also given. If the longer side is 30 meter more than the shorter side, this longer side is 30 meter more than the shorter side, it will be x plus 30 meter, x plus 30. So this is 30 meter longer than the shorter, okay, longer side. Find the sides of the field. We have to find the sides of the field. Which are those? X and x plus 30. We have to find these two, x and x plus 30. At the end, you should write the conclusion, the sides, x and x plus 30. Now here in rectangle, each angle is 90 degree. Now since it is a right angle triangle, I can apply the Pythagoras theorem here. Okay. Now I will name the rectangle A, B, C, D. Okay. Let us write. Let the shorter side is equals to x meter. I have taken it as x. Now let the longer side, let the shorter side will be x. Let the I will take diagonal. The diagonal is equals to x plus 60 meter, x plus 60. And another one, let the longer side will be, what it will be, x plus 30 meter. Now I will apply the Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem I can write as BC square plus CD square is equals to BD square I can write. Okay. So BC square plus CD square is equal to BD square by Pythagoras theorem. Now BC square, it will be x square plus, now CD square is nothing but what? X plus 30 whole square is equal to BD square. BD square is nothing but what? X plus 60 whole square. Now here, let us solve this. This will be x square plus a plus b whole square formula. X square plus 3 square is 900 plus 2ab. So 2ab, 32 is 16x is equal to. Now this is x square plus 6 square, that is 36. 3600 plus 62 is 120x. Now here x square and this x square will get cancelled. X square, I'll make it cancel. Now x square plus 60x, I'll take this to this side, plus 60x minus 120x. Okay, remaining constant plus 900 is there. That side constant, this one minus 3600 is equal to 0. Now this is x square, this is minus 60x, and here is minus 24. Am I right? Not 24. This is 27. 2700 is equal to 0. Now we'll split minus 60x. Minus 60x. It will be, I should get minus 2700 x square. This I can write as minus 90x plus 30x. So minus 90 plus 30, that is minus 60x. Multiply this, minus into plus to minus, 9 3s are 27, means 2700 x square I will get. So in place of minus 60 I will write x square minus 90x plus 30x minus 2700 is equal to 0. Now here, take common in these two. X I will take common. X minus 90 plus, here I can take common as 30. X minus 9 3s are 27. Remaining is 90 is equals to 0. Now x minus 90, take outside. X minus 90 inside, x plus 30. X plus 30 is equal to 0. Now x minus 90 is equals to 0 or x plus 30 is equal to 0. X plus 30 is equal to 0. Now here x is equal to 90 or x is equals to minus 30. This is not possible. Why? Because this is not possible because x is here is nothing but the side of the rectangular field. The side of the rectangle cannot be negative. Okay, so it is not possible. So that it is not possible. Now come here, x equals to 90. So this is only possible, x equal to 90. So I can write, they ask you to find the sides of the field. At the end you should write the sides. Conclusion you have to write. So which is that shorter side is equal to how much? I got it is 90 meter. Unit also you should write because they are given in the minute, in meter unit. Now longer side is equals to what I have taken it as x plus 30 meter. X plus 30 means 90 plus 30, that is equals to 120 meter. At the end you should write the